Make sure you have the best DC circuit protection with WAGO's new next generation electronic circuit breakers. 2 new ECB ranges are available, 4 and 8 channel ECBs and a new single channel version. Let's have a closer look at these products. The new 4 channel and 8 channel ECBs are the slimmest of their kind on the market, at just 32mm wide for an 8 channel. This represents almost 80% DIN rail space saving over traditional MCBs. Current is easily adjustable for each channel in steps from 1 to 10 to ensure close protection of each 24-volt DC circuit. Big benefits over traditional methods such as fuses and MCBs is the ability to remotely monitor the trip status of each channel and, if safe to do so, remotely reset. Another advantage is the ECBs can be adjustable, meaning last-minute specification changes are a simple adjustment rather than a costly product swap. A multicolour LED provides clear indication of the condition of each channel for fast visual diagnostics. For fast and reliable installation, removable spring-force connections are used, helping to ensure trouble-free operation as there is no risk of a loose screw connection. To further help save costs, an adjustable pre-alarm capability is included that offers the end user the chance to perform predictive maintenance and thus avoid expensive downtime. One of the unique features of this product is the ability to parallel up 2 channels to increase the rating to 16 amps, thus achieving a very wide scope of use. To complement the new multi-channel devices, a new single-channel variant has also been launched. This new product offers many of the same benefits as the multi-channel product, but with the option to choose precisely how many channels are needed for the application. Available in specific current ratings at 24-volt DC up to 8 amps or adjustable versions 0.5 to 4 or 1 to 8. New potential distribution modules have been introduced to enable a flexible modular assembly of several channels to a combined maximum load of 70 amps. They can be quickly wired using WAGO's reliable screwless push-in connections, and distribution jumper bars are also available, saving more time and money on assembly. WAGO's next generation ECBs are the new benchmark for an affordable but high specification electronic circuit breaker. Please get in touch with us for further information.